welcome to trendycerts. Today we're tackling 10 MCQs on agent workload management, a key part of the Agentforce specialist exam. You'll hear the question, the options, then we'll go over the correct answer and a short explanation. Let's get started. Which feature in Agentforce allows managers to monitor agent load in real time? Option A, Capacity Monitor. Option B, Agent Status Tracker. Option C, Workload Dashboard. The correct answer is C, Workload Dashboard. It gives managers a real-time view of how work is distributed across the team. How does Agentforce determine if an agent is eligible for new work? A, by checking the agent's chat history. B, through workload and status thresholds. C, based on their shift schedule alone. The correct answer is B. Agentforce uses real-time workload and status thresholds to decide if an agent can take more work. Which metric is most important when balancing work among agents? A, total tickets closed. B, agent tenure. C, current workload. Correct answer, C, current workload. It helps avoid burnout by ensuring fair and balanced distribution of work. What does the capacity percentage indicate in Agentforce? A, agent salary versus performance ratio. B, time spent offline. C, how much workload an agent is currently handling. That's C. Capacity indicates how close an agent is to reaching their workload limit. Which status must an agent be in to receive routed work? A, offline. B, available. C, paused. Correct answer, B, available. Only agents marked as available are eligible for new tasks. What happens when an agent exceeds their workload capacity? A, they're signed out. B, they're not considered for new work. C, their tasks are reassigned. The answer is B. When the agent hits their max capacity, Agentforce temporarily stops assigning more work. How can a manager redistribute tasks effectively? A, by disabling queue management. B, using workload balancing tools. C, resetting agent sessions. That would be B, using real-time workload balancing tools. It's the most effective way to shift work across the team. Which configuration limits how many tasks an agent can receive? A, agent priority level. B, workload capacity setting. C, channel rules. Correct answer, B, workload capacity setting. It defines the upper limit of active tasks an agent can handle. Before routing a task, what does Agentforce consider? A, the agent's department. B, team lead feedback. C, status and capacity. Answer is C. Real-time status and current capacity help Agentforce decide who gets the task. What's the benefit of monitoring workload distribution regularly? A, to track breaks. B, to avoid glitches. C, to prevent burnout. Final answer, C. It ensures fair task load and prevents burnout, which leads to better team performance. And that's a wrap. These 10 questions give you a solid grip on workload management in Agentforce. Want full-length practice exams? Head over to trendycerts.com. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. More exam-ready videos are coming soon.